A lot of people have come to the misguided conclusion that if we show our true self to others, we will be made fun of, not welcome, outcast. Well, I'm here to tell you that if you are one of those people that will do such despicable things, when is it going to be enough? When are we going to stop pretending to be someone else just to please those who are not pleased with themselves? If you are watching this video, I say today is the day. Today is the day that we take the mask off of our faces and let the world see our true self, our real one. No more pretending, no more showing you somebody in the mirror who is not. Well, this is me, the real me. As I said in the beginning, no longer the person that you wanted me to be. Lost in the crowd because I was trying to pretend to be someone else. Not showing my true self. Not crying when I felt pain. Not letting it out when the anger was eating me inside. Holding it all in until I broke down and my mental status collapsed. Let me be perfectly clear. I have never pretended to be someone else I'm not. What I have done is bite my tongue quite a lot. Maybe in occasions where I shouldn't have, and that in itself is a big burden to carry. But enough about me. I'm here to tell you some of the things that I did to get me to where I'm at. In anime terms, I'm in sage mode, just absorbing nature and everything, all the good energy. The bad energies, the bad vibe, it just bounces off of me. Some of the things I've done to get me to this level of enlightenment, I'm not saying it will work for you, but it has worked for me and it continues working for me, is small changes. Every day I do a small change to habits that were developed while I was not being true to myself. Getting rid of all those negative habits that I had accumulated throughout my entire life. So those little changes, whether you believe it or not, whether we know or not, can be the big difference to a whole new world, to a whole new lifestyle. And it's the little things, like they said, the little things in life that mean the most. So those small changes can be the difference between being the person you are meant to be or being stuck in the past. Second thing I did was, in the military, we say you fight like you train. What do I mean by this is, let's say for example, you buy a book on how to become your true self, how to self-development. Unless you follow the steps along the way and commit yourself to it, it means nothing. It's just a waste of your money and your time. Unless you are committed to follow along and do everything that it takes, everything that is necessary to make the changes, you will get nowhere. So either commit yourself to be your true self or don't commit yourself. Keep pretending to be that person that you are not. It is up to you, it is your prerogative, and no one can change that but yourself. The third thing I did was remind myself that there is no such thing as an unimportant day. Every day is important, whether I was fully committed to creating something, making a video, creating a painting, building a shelf, whatever it was, riding my mountain bike, it doesn't matter. Whatever I did on that day is an important day. Even if I just lay down and did nothing all day, that was an important day to me because I gave my body the time to heal, to reset, to recoup. So every day is important and you should treat it as such. Do not beat yourself down or try to compare yourself to someone that was super busy, did all this stuff on this day, make all this money, whatever it is. Do not compare yourself, because today, for example, was your day to rest, recoup, and let your body heal. Before I continue, I know you might be wondering, how is this going to help you be your true self, find yourself? And it's not. it's not going to help you. This is what works for me, and the reason I'm sharing it is because I hope that you come up with your own system that will take you to the same level of peacefulness, of calmness that I feel inside, not just internal but also external. And by me sharing this content, you can come up with your own system to help you get to that level. As I said before, I am so at peace that there is no negative energy that can affect me either externally or internally. Everything bounces off. I do not let the negativeness of the world, society, my surrounding disturb my current peace. So the final step that I have done and continue doing on this journey is I remember yesterday. I don't live on the past, but I remember the good times, the good memories, the stuff that pushed me to become who I am today. I also dream about tomorrow. For example, we'll go on vacation with my family. Can't wait for my kids to all graduate from college. You know, those are dreams that are good for my soul, but are dreams that are not guaranteed because I cannot predict the future, I cannot predict tomorrow. So I dream about tomorrow, but I don't get stuck in dreaming about tomorrow. The most important thing to do is live today, enjoy today, live the moment, spend as much time as you can and are able to with your loved one, with yourself. Do the things that make you happy today. You can plan for them for tomorrow, but always doing today, and then if tomorrow comes, continue doing the things that make you who you are and bring the best out of you. This journey has changed my entire perspective on life, and it's so fulfilling, so peaceful. I am at a place that I have never been in my entire life, and I do have to admit, it is wonderful. It's a wonderful feeling, and I hope that you all can get to that level of peacefulness, for a lack of better words. And I guess that's it for me today. That's all I got. I hope you find this useful and come up with your own system. And if you have one, please post in the comments down below. I love to read those and share with our audience. Until next time, have a blessed and amazing week.